The ocean step into a realm where healing and joy dance hand in hand, where the gentle touch of the ocean's salty breeze purifies your spirit, and the radiant sun wraps you in its comforting embrace. Welcome to the beach, a haven of solace and rejuvenation, where the boundless ocean possesses the ability to mend our hearts, minds, and souls. As you step onto the soft, powdery sand, a sense of tranquility washes over you. The rhythmic melody of the crashing waves calls upon you to release your worries and immerse yourself in the splendor of the present moment. Here, time stands still, and the burdens that once weighed upon your soul are carried away by the tide. The air, kissed by the salt's enchantment, works its magic, purifying your very essence from within. Each breath you take serves as a gentle reminder that you are alive, that you possess the strength to conquer any obstacle that may cross your path. The salt not only cleanses your physical form but also purges your spirit, washing away the remnants of life's trials and leaving you feeling revitalized and reborn. Bask in the warm embrace of the sun, as its golden rays gracefully dance upon your skin, infusing you with a newfound vitality. Its warmth seeps into the depths of your being, melting away the remnants of stress and weariness. With every ray that graces your face, you are reminded of the infinite possibilities that await you, of the dreams that yearn to be realized. Yet, it is the ocean, vast and mighty, that holds the key to genuine healing. As you surrender to its gentle caress, a profound sense of serenity engulfs you. The ocean's rhythmic ebb and flow mirrors the steady beating of your heart, synchronizing your very existence with the natural world that surrounds you. With each wave that crashes upon the shore, it carries away the burdens that weigh heavily upon your soul, leaving you feeling lighter, liberated,